Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion with an exciting review of what we believe is the best feathered tutu on the market, the Tailinwen tutu skirt. Whether you're looking for a stunning costume for a special event or simply want to add a touch of whimsy to your wardrobe, this tutu is sure to catch your eye. The Tailinwen tutu skirt is made from high-quality feather tulle, which gives it a luxurious feel while maintaining lightweight breathability. The first thing you'll notice is how fluffy and voluminous it is, making it perfect for twirling on the dance floor or making a grand entrance at any event. One of the standout features of this tutu is its elegant design. It's not just a simple skirt, it incorporates a vintage-inspired look that adds a unique charm to your outfit. With its pull-on closure, it's easy to wear, making it suitable for both casual and formal occasions. The soft fabric ensures that it's comfortable to wear for extended periods, whether you're at a costume party or a fun run. Imagine yourself dressed as a fairy at a birthday party, a graceful ballet dancer at a recital, or even a whimsical character at a Halloween event. The Tailinwen tutu skirt provides endless styling possibilities. Pair it with a cute top, a sparkling accessory, or even a costume for a playful, eye-catching look. What's great about this tutu is its versatility. It's available in various sizes and a classic white color, making it easy to match with different outfits. Whether you're dressing up for a themed event or just want to feel fabulous, this skirt will elevate your style. Plus, the care instructions are simple. Just hand wash it and hang it to dry, keeping it looking fresh and new. Traveling? No problem. This tutu can easily be folded into a suitcase without losing its shape, making it a fantastic option for events on the go. You can take it with you to parties, vacations, or even dance classes, ensuring you're always ready to dazzle. Overall, the Tailinwen feathered tutu skirt is an outstanding addition to anyone's wardrobe. It combines style, comfort, and versatility, making it one of the best feathered tutus available. If you're looking to make a fashion statement or simply enjoy the playful spirit of a tutu, this is definitely the one for you. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time with more amazing product insights.